Hello friends, hello everyone. My name is Aishwarya and welcome to my YouTube channel Statistics Crazy. So today we'll be learning how we can rearrange this data. Okay, this type of data. Whenever you encounter this type of data, how we can rearrange. Okay, so now here I want to tell one word, fix. Fix in the sense, now if you look at this data, you have name, email ID, number and place. Again you have name, email ID, number and place. Again you have name, email ID, number and place. So the order is fixed, right? Name, email ID, number and place. So you have this type of data and you want this into four different columns. How four different columns? Name, email ID, number and place. Okay. So what you will do is we will create a helper column. So helper column, wherever you want to apply a logic or you are building a logic. So we will create such type of helper columns. Okay. So how we can create helper columns? What I'm doing over is first step I'm doing is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So remember this, 1 is for the name, 2 is for the email ID, 3 is for the number, 4 is for the place. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now I will just type manually 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But what if your data is very long? It's very long. So what you will do, you will just select and you will just, when you double click on the fill handle, it will do 1, 2, 3, 4 till 12. I don't want this. Okay. I want 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I want 1, 2, 3, 4 because 1. What I'm doing is I'm fixing. 1 is for name, 2 is for email ID, 3 is for number, and 4 is for place. Okay. So now what we'll do is we will click on this and I will write copy cells. So when you do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3, 4, again 1, 2, 3. Okay. So almost 70% of the work is, we have achieved. So we have fixed. So wherever there is 1, it describes our names. Wherever there is 2, it is email ID. Wherever there is 3, that is a number. And wherever 4, that is our place. So what I will do is now I will just write 1, 2, 3, 4. Later we will rename this. Okay. So here we will be using the filter function. Okay. So filter function is a very versatile function. If you don't know, please check out my previous video. So what I will do, I will just write filter. So filter array. So this is a full array. Array means the selection area, you can say. Selection area. And include. What include? Wherever there is 1, please fetch me the data. Okay, so normally filters, how you apply normal filters, your data, and suppose you have the category column, and you have the rest of the data. Now I want to filter the data according to the category. Suppose there is a category A, so I want all the data wherever the category is A. So same include means now we will include this whole column, and wherever there is 1, please give me the data. So Rima, Meena, Priyal, Rima, Meena, Priyal. So all the names have been fetched up. Okay, so now here we have got 1, 1, 1. Okay. So in the name column, I want only the names. I don't want this 1, 1, 1. So what we'll do, we'll filter the filter data. Nested filter means we'll filter the filter data. So I will use filter. Again, this. And now what I will do is I will be using a curly bracket. Inside I will write 1, 0. 1, 0 in the sense, now our data consists of 2 columns, right? This one column, this one column. Now what I want to do, I will filter the filter data. Filter data, I want only the first column. So when I used the filter function initially, it gave me 2 columns, Rima, Meena, and Priyal, and 1, 1, 1. But I don't want this 1, 1, 1. So what I will do, 1 is for keep that column, 0 is for I don't want the column. Don't keep that column. Okay. So I want only the first column. Okay, this is the filter data. And again, I'm filtering this data. Okay, so again, I'm filtering this data means I want only this first. Just type enter. So name. Now we just fix this. And now see, I have written here 1, but I can give the cell location also, right? So that I can drag to all the columns. I will just give this cell location. Okay, and now I will filter. I will do this. I will fix this because whenever I'm dragging, won't move. Okay. And I will not fix this because whenever I'm dragging, this cell location will change, right? I will just copy this. I'll paste this. Ta-da! It came. Now what we'll do? Just paste as values. Okay. Now I will write here. I will just rename this name, email ID, number, and place. So here, this is way you can do this. Just if you want to convert it table, this is our data. Thank you.